Before you start YouTube for money. Watch this first, brutal truth that will change everything. Most people start YouTube for one reason. Money. But what if I told you something most beginners never realize? You could upload videos for months straight, follow every tutorial, stay consistent, and still make absolutely nothing. Not a single dollar. I know because I went through it myself. And at first, I thought I was doing everything right. But I wasn't. Because there is a hidden truth about YouTube nobody tells beginners. And if you don't understand it early, you will waste months doing the wrong things. Let me show you exactly what I learned the hard way. Most people think YouTube is easy money. They see videos like make $1,000 in a week or faceless channels are printing money. It sounds simple. But that's where most beginners get trapped. Because the reality is very different. Behind every success story, there is usually a long period where nothing happens. No views, no subscribers, no income, just silence. And most people quit right there. Because they think something is wrong with them. But it's not. It's the strategy. When I started YouTube, I believed everything I saw online. I thought all I had to do was pick a niche, upload videos, stay consistent, and the money would come. So I went all in. I created videos. I used AI tools. I wrote scripts. I edited everything carefully. I posted consistently. At first, I was excited. I kept checking my analytics over and over, expecting something to change. But nothing changed. 5 views, 10 views, sometimes 30 on a good day. No subscribers, no engagement, no income. And the worst part is that I was doing everything I was told to do. That's when I started questioning everything. If I was following the system, why was nothing working? That question led me down a deeper path. And what I discovered changed everything. Most beginners never reach monetization. Not because they are lazy, but because their videos cannot hold attention long enough. Before YouTube pays you anything, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Most people never get close. Not because it is impossible, but because their videos lose attention too fast. And that is the real game. It is not about uploading. It is about attention. Then I noticed something else. Faceless channels are everywhere now. Everyone says they are easy. But faceless does not mean effortless. It only means you are not on camera. You still need strong scripts, good storytelling, and editing that keeps people watching. Without that, people click and leave within seconds. And when people leave, YouTube stops recommending your video. Another thing nobody tells you is this. Consistency is not just about uploading often. It is about continuing when nothing is working. Posting one video is easy. Posting 10 is easy. But posting 30 videos with no results is where most people quit. Because silence is heavier than effort. And on top of that, you are not competing with a few creators. You are competing with millions of people around the world doing the same thing. That is when I almost gave up. I thought maybe YouTube just was not for me. Maybe I should stop wasting my time. But something didn't make sense. I saw videos that looked simple getting millions of views, while my better videos were getting almost nothing. That contradiction confused me. Until I realized something important. It was never about effort. It was about retention. People were not failing because they were lazy. They were failing because people were not staying to watch. And that changed everything for me. I stopped focusing on uploading videos. And started focusing on keeping attention. Because YouTube only cares about one thing. How long people watch. If people stay longer, YouTube pushes your video. If people leave early, your video dies. It is that simple. Then I learned something even more important. Storytelling beats information every single time. Nobody stays for information alone. People stay for emotion, curiosity, and tension. Instead of saying you need consistency, you say I posted for 30 days and nothing happened. That keeps people watching. And the longer they watch, the more YouTube pushes your content. Then I realized something else. Most beginners rely only on AdSense. But AdSense is not the real money. The real money comes from affiliate marketing, digital products, and services. Because AdSense is slow and unstable. Smart creators build systems, not just channels. And another mistake I made was choosing topics randomly. I picked what I liked, not what people were actually searching for. But YouTube is not about you. It is about demand. If nobody is searching or clicking, the video will not grow. So should you start YouTube for money? Yes. But not blindly. Not with fake expectations. Because the truth is, it is not easy. But it is possible. If you understand attention. If you understand storytelling. If you understand what keeps people watching. Because YouTube does not reward effort. It rewards attention. And once you understand that, everything changes. If you want, I can show you exactly how to start the right way from zero and build your first income system online. This is Money Growth News. Stay informed, stay ahead,